Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change avatar in Warpath Ace Shooter. To change your avatar in Warpath Ace Shooter, launch open the game on your device first. Once you're in the home page of Warpath Ace Shooter, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner. Now, click on your profile avatar once again on the top left, and you'll get to choose from the multitudes of avatars. You may go ahead and select one from the options, or if you want to choose your own image, tap on the camera option. There you can take a picture from your device's camera, or tap on album and select your own photo from your photo album on your device. After selecting a photo, you'll get to adjust it along the screen and then tap on tick at the top left. Right after you do that, you will be able to change your avatar in Warpath. If you found the video helpful, like, share and subscribe for more. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.